Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to share location on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to share location on Google Maps, first open up your Google Map application on your phone. Now after you land on this interface of the Google Maps, you can see your location will be shown to you with the blue dotted icon like this one. This is my location over here. Now guys, in order to share it, you'll be required to either tap and hold on a place near to you. With that being done, a pin will be dropped and you will be able to share location like this. You can see guys, the moment we tap and hold on the location near us, this option is appearing where it says drop pin, and if you swipe it up, and these kind of options are available for us where we will be able to share this location on Google Maps. If you tap on the share button, this kind of interface will appear. Again, tap on the share the space option over here and you will be able to share the location of your Google Maps through Messenger, Chrome, Gmail, and many of the social media which you have on your phone. And with that being done guys, this was the one way you could share your location. And another is simply tap on the blue icon, this one, and then this kind of interface will appear where you can see guys the share location option is available for us over here. Again, tap on the share location and this kind of interface will appear from where you will be able to share your location to anybody through messages, chats, Telegram, Chrome, and Gmails, and many of the social media platforms, as well as the phone numbers. And with that being said guys, this is how to share your location on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.